and then click, normal click. This is going to be called 2D. So let me hide that. This is the basic rule to be able to divide anything. I'm going to hold shift and then draw a line like this, and then shift, then draw a line. Actually, I'm going to extend it all the way there, and then I'm going to take this and this. It's just a basic rectangle, right? Now, what I'm going to do is I want to find the exact half of this rectangle. But to be super precise, this is what I'm gonna do. Let me create another layers for all those measurements because those are gonna be a little bit measures. Okay, actually it's shorter if I just put guides. Yeah, guides is better. And this is going to be having a lower opacity of 20%. There you go. So let's test it. Yes, that's okay. Now I go to the draw style, which has a square and a circle, and pick the line. Let me make sure it's small. It's 1 pixel. And then I just going to draw an X from one point to the other, and then from one point to the other. There we go. That's the half. Perfect. I just press ESC. Oh no, actually I need to click on that. And then from the center, I hold shift and oops, I hold shift and then whoops, there we go. And then I extend the one at the top. Ah, oops, I have no idea what I pressed by accident. Okay, there we go. I hold shift. Alrighty, now look at this. I'm going to take another line and I'm going to take it from this corner and then just cross this point. Can you see? I just crossed.
Any point.
Not any point.
Yes, the
I'm
middle.
crossing
I
this.
The
think I
middle.
know. I think I know what you're starting to do. You're starting to do the golden ratio, the Fibonacci.
It's different. It's different, but it's the Fibonacci. How do you pronounce it?
Fibonacci.
Fibonacci. That the golden ratio is a little bit different, but this
But that's sort of how you construct it.
exactly,
Oh.
exactly.
Yeah.
So for this, I just hold shift and now I can go to my 2D and draw the official line. Oops, first you have to press.
Shift.
Now I have a perfect replica. And the exercise, that's how you do it in 2D. The exercise is going to be to do that 5 times. So let me go back to the guides and then take this line. For this, you don't have to do it 5 times. I'm just going to illustrate you another one. And then I go back to 2D, hold shift. Ah, I didn't want to use the line. Hold shift and then hold shift. There you go. Now, with that said, I'm gonna go back to perspective and look at this. This is so cool. Uh, Jonathan, look at
Yeah.
this because you're gonna do this right now so we can see you. Those are the basics. So if I wanted to extend this a couple of times to that plane, what I would do is this: get the perspective, and then first I'm going to extend that line to get a huge stop, right? And now I change to the line and then cross my little X right here. Super easy. And then I press P for the perspective line and then trace the middle, right? That's the middle. Now I go to line again. Oops, not L, sorry. From here, this point, and then I just extend it and then perspective, and that's it. And then I go back to the line and then in here. And as you can see, it's getting shorter and shorter, right? But now I'm starting to, okay, look how shorter it's getting. And then I get, again, the line. And then each time is getting shorter. But this exercise is teaching me little by little how shorter is going to be. So if I repeat this many times with different perspectives, I'm going to start getting a sense of the space because right now I'm measuring it. And very easily I can extend this, and now I have a bigger rectangle that is 5 times the original one, right? And very easily I can just take these lines from the top and just intersect them,
Mm.
right?